Hello everyone. Today we will introduce how to use Univer Go to import database data into Univer Sheets. First, we open Univer Go and create a new workspace. Select the Query Database template. This template will help us initialize both the client-side and server-side scripts. Next, let's briefly go over the logic of these two scripts. Client-side script, the onOpen function, will automatically run when the workspace is opened. Here, we can set necessary text prompts, default values, and create a custom menu to make database loading easier for the user. When the user clicks a button on the toolbar, the client will get the database connection information and use Run on Server to trigger the specific method in the server-side script. Server-side script. Univer Go has built-in type ORM to load the database. Using the provided connection information, it connects to the specified database and queries the names of all tables, iterating through each one. Once the data is fetched, the script creates new sheets in Univer Sheets, loading the data row by row into each table's new tab. Finally, the data is sent back to the front end using the collaboration feature. Now let's see how to configure the database connection and load the data. After opening the workspace, you'll need to input the connection details such as the host, port, username, and password on the Settings page. Once set, click the Load Database button to start loading the data. After the process completes, the data will automatically fill into Univer Sheets. Each table will be created as a new sheet, and all records will be listed in rows and columns according to the table header and contents. With this feature, you can easily import data from your database into Univer Sheets for further analysis and processing. Thank you for watching. For more Univer Go plugins and features, visit univer.ai.